Hi, I'm your English teacher, Linda G, and welcome to my Job Search Success Series. If you're ready to take your job search to the next level, you're going to love this series. Whether you're just starting your search or looking to refine your approach, these videos are designed to give you practical, actionable advice. Now, of course, for more information, you can also go to my website at speakenglishwithconfidencenow.com. And I've also included a discount code for any more advanced ones. Now let's get started.
When looking for a job, most people start looking at online job boards and company career pages. Websites like Indeed and LinkedIn and Monster and government job portals list thousands of job openings across different industries. Now, these platforms make it really easy to search for jobs, upload resumes, and apply directly to employers. They're a great starting point because they give you access to a wide range of opportunities. However, it's important to know that not all jobs are posted online. And this is where the hidden job market comes in. So the hidden job market refers to job opportunities that aren't advertised publicly. And many companies prefer to hire through internal referrals, networking, or by promoting from within. Now, in some cases, employers may be looking for candidates but haven't officially posted the job yet. This means that if you rely only on job boards, you could be missing out on opportunities. You could be missing out on a large number of opportunities. So let's talk about how to access the hidden job market. The key is networking. Many jobs are filled through professional connections, word of mouth, and direct outreach, attending industry events, joining professional groups, staying active on LinkedIn, and letting people in your network know that you're looking for work. That can help you discover opportunities before they're even advertised. You may even consider informational interviews where you speak with professionals in your desired field, and that can also open some doors for you. That could lead to jobs that aren't publicly posted. Now, while job sites are valuable, they should be only one part of your overall job search strategy. When you combine online applications with networking, reaching out to companies directly and staying connected with professionals, that increases your chances of finding both advertised jobs and, of course, hidden job opportunities. Now, in the next sections, we're going to dive deeper into job websites. I'll introduce you to Indeed, the Job Bank, which is in Canada, and LinkedIn. You need to know that sites like Indeed and the job banks will differ depending on the country where you live and are there to help you to identify the visible job opportunities. And of course, LinkedIn can help you with that as well.
For more information on my services, go to speakenglishwithconfidencenow.com. I've also included a discount code in the description below for a helpful course.